I felt a lot of tension in her back. So that's when I said, okay, we need the help of something that can accelerate this release of energy a little quicker than a massage.
You think we can get an acupuncturist person here?
Yes,
She's so tight. We have to remove some of that pent-up energy.
Acupuncture has worked for us tremendously.
Normally we get relaxation through exercise, or through rules, boundaries, and limitations, but today is just about relax. It's all about relaxing today.
Cesar rubbed some lavender-scented oil in his hands to see if aromatherapy will help calm Kobar.
When I get nervous myself or when I get a little anxious, I definitely use oils or any kind of scent that can calm me down. And
we use a little bit of the oil just to change the association. This scent is for you to become calm. This sight is for you to become calm. The sound is eventually for you to become calm.
Yeah, that's a good sign. Oh, you're making the toy smell like it. Oh, okay, good, all right.
because the eyes and the ears is making her back away. The nose brings them to it.
So by her bringing her nose to the toy?
Mm-hmm. The brain comes to it.
Yeah.
See, right now, even though she's doing that, it's not as tense as she was earlier.
Oh, absolutely.
So that's when I was, there you go. There you
doing
go.
it on her own.
Yeah, that's very good.
Yeah.
There. Very important.
Yeah.
That's very
Yeah.
important. You can feel it when they're about to just give it up.
Yeah.
Even if she sees the toy, she runs. So I wanted to make sure that the sight part is also under control. I put the toy on her neck so she can learn to carry them around and to sleep with the toy and to walk with the toy.
The squeaky toy is hugging.
I wanted her to attach that experience to the visual. I have to convince her that this doesn't necessarily represent squeak. There you go. It can represent just being quiet.
That's the most relaxed I've ever seen her close to a toy. Absolutely.